Good morning everyone. My name is Adhika Kaushik of class 3rd from Brenesa School. Today I am here to enlighten everyone on a very important concept of science, which is about how sound waves travels and how different pitches are produced. For that, first we need to make our own musical jars. Line up the jars and gently tap with metal spoon. They all are making the same sound. Now let's start filling up the jars with water. Add a little amount of water to jar 1. Little more in second jar. Little more in third one. Same way, we'll fill the remaining jars with more water than previous one. Now we'll add different color to these jars just to make the different level of water more clear. Now we will tap on these jars with metal spoon. They all are making different sounds. Let's check again. Isn't it amazing? This is because sound travels a wave. In this experiment, tapping on the jars with spoon causes the jars to vibrate. The vibration in the jars are transferred to the air surrounding the jar, creating a sound wave. When the jars are all empty, the vibration and sound are all same. Adding different amount of water to these jars causes the vibration and sound to change. Pitch is how high or low sound is. When we add more water to the jar, the pitch is low. When we add less water to the jar, the pitch is high. Jal Tarang. Jal Tarang is a musical instrument which produces music because of the same concept. Thank you. Have a nice day.